Downtown Silver Spring is the busiest part of Silver Spring, with many shops and restaurants all collected together. There have been a few changes here and there over the past few years, but in the near future, it looks like we're going to be getting a $10 million renovation to the downtown area. The changes are being made in the hope to refresh downtown with a new, vibrant look, including new art pieces, colors, and businesses. Plans have been made to turn Ellsworth Drive into a dynamic, outdoor community gathering space for families, residents, and visitors. The sustainable area will open up possibilities for outdoor activities such as live music, pop-up booths, and seasonal celebrations. This renovation will take downtown Silver Spring into the future with more diversity, open spaces, community gathering spots, and a happier vibe overall. I'm Leo with BNC. Thanks for watching.